So today we are going to see about bank accounting in our SAP. So the purpose, this component is used to handle accounting transactions that you process with your bank. What is the future of bank accounting? It includes the management of bank master data, cash balance management, check and bill of exchange management, and the creation and processing of incoming and outgoing payments. It is possible to freely define all country specific characteristics such as the specifications for manual and electronic payment procedures, payment forms, or data media. So the purpose, in the SAP system, bank master data is stored centrally in the bank directory. The following sections describe how you maintain bank master data and outline the factors you should consider when transferring bank master data automatically. In addition to defining bank master data, you also define your own bank details. It's like house banks and those of your business partner entered in the business partner's master record. See bank selection for details on the settings required for the payment program. Under payment is in the account receivable and accounts payable documentation. House banks of your company are the banks that your company has an account with. You can use them to process payment transactions. In the SAP system, house banks having the following characteristics. They are assigned to company codes. Each company code can have multiple house banks. Each house banks of a company code is represented by a bank ID. Every account at a house bank is represented by an account ID. In the SAP system, you use the bank ID and the account ID specify bank details. Bank ID and account ID are used, for example, for automatic payment transactions to determine bank details for payment. To create house bank, you use these transactions. To create the house bank accounts, you use SAP Business Client application. The account ID are generated in the process. So now we can go to SAP to create house bank. So the transaction code to create the house bank /n FI12. So the /n FI12 for creating the house bank in SAP system. Enter. Select position, enter your company code FI00 and then continue. Select the row, double click on house banks. So under the company code FI00 ABC Steel Limited, we can create our own bank. New entries, enter the house bank name. So I am going to enter SBI, State Bank of India, and I am going to enter the bank country IN, India IN. Bank key is nothing but particular branch code. In India we used to say that IFSC code. So I am going to enter, for example, SBI 001 and communication data, enter telephone and then who is the contact person, then create. So here we need to enter the detailed address informations, bank name State Bank of India, region is nothing but state. So I am going to select, for example, Tamil Nadu 33 and the street. So I am going to enter the bank address, New Street, city Chennai, and then bank branch. The city is Chennai. What is the exact branch for our bank? For example, T Nagar. and then continue. So after enter all the informations, double click on bank accounts. So the information read access only, continue. Here we need to select create bank account, allow. So the system direct to Internet Explorer. So this problem, there is a problem with the website security certificate. So we are getting the warning message. So I am going to select continue to this website and then enter my user ID and password. So I am getting the message browser not supported. Microsoft Internet Explorer 11 and other legacy browser are no longer supported. For more information, see note 1672817. So my Internet Explorer 11 not supported. I am going to copy the URL and then I am going to try with our Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and then paste it our link and then enter. So here we can enter our username and password. So here under the Google Chrome we can create the bank account. See here, this is called new bank account. Under the general data we need to select the account opening date. For example, I am going to select February 1. Closing date I am not going to change anything, and then company code FI00, enter. So once you enter your company code, we can get the country and region and then account holder ABC Steel Limited. Then scroll down. Here we need to select the account details. Under the account details, bank country IN India and the bank key. The bank key is nothing but IFSC code SBI 001, State Bank of India. Then select our currency INR, Indian rupee. Then account number, I am going to enter my bank account number and a description. This particular account belongs to salary account. Account type, select salary account. So the contract type current account. Then save the data. So once try to save the data, we are getting the warning message bank SBI 001 in country IN not added. So just a warning message, we can ignore it. Edit and save once again. Now the data will be saved. See here, this is my bank account number 12215455255, salary account, the bank name State Bank of India. Now my account is created, bank account is created under the State Bank of India. Double click on house bank account connectivity. Here edit and select add. Under the house bank data we need to select the GL account. Here go to change the type, GL account in chart of accounts by account type. So first we need to choose the chart of accounts, FICA in my company code chart of accounts. So once I select chart of accounts, I can view my company code GL accounts. So here I am going to select the bank account, the GL number 1 lakh. So then enter the house bank account details. Here I am going to enter the house bank ID. Before that I am going to enter house bank SBI. So I am going to enter the house bank ID SBI 1, enter, save the data. So enter our house bank SBI 1, save the data once again. So once we try to save the data, we are getting the error, the house bank SBI with bank key SBI 001 does not exist in company code FI00. So we are getting the error because our bank account, house bank, not saved in our SAP system. So minimize and then go to SAP. Save the data first. Now we can go to browser and save the data. Edit and save once again. Now see here our State Bank account ID created SBI 1. So now minimize the screen. Go to SAP, go back, /n FI12, enter once again, select position, enter our company code FI00, select the row, double click on house banks and double click on bank accounts, select read access only. So here we can see the bank account details which we created in Google Chrome browser. So my bank SBI and then my bank account ID SBI 1 salary account, which means I have 3 or 4 different type of account in my branch State Bank India SBI 001. In this particular T Nagar branch I have 4 account. The first one is salary account, second one is vendor payments, third one is customer payments, fourth one is other expenses. Like this we can create multiple current account in our SBI bank particular T Nagar branch. So this different type of account coming under account ID. We are assigning each bank account with our account ID. So now we can create one more account. Go to Internet Explorer, select accounting operation, select new, select general data, opening date, company code FI00, enter, then bank country or region India, so we need to select IN. And then bank key SBI 001 and currency INR, enter account number. So then account type we need to select. For example, I am going to select loan account, contract type current account, then select house bank account connectivity. So before that we need to save the general data first. So the description language EN not maintained. Okay, here we need to enter the description. Loan account, Save the data once again. Edit and save. Now the data has been saved. Double click on house bank account connectivity. Edit and add. Select GL account. Select chart of account first. Then we can select our required GL account, FICA, and OK. Then select bank account, and then here we need to enter the house bank ID. For example, I am going to enter SBI 2. Then save the data. So just a warning message. Edit and save once again. So now I created the second account, SBI 2, which is loan account. The first I am creating the salary account. The second one is loan account. See here the bank account 123459. Type of account, loan account. Type of bank, State Bank of India. So minimize. Go to execute once again. /n FI12. Enter. Select position. Enter our company code FI00. Enter. Select the row. Double click on house bank and double click on bank accounts. Select read access only. So see here we have two account number under the SBI bank. SBI 1 account ID is salary account. SBI 2 account ID is loan account. Like this we can create multiple bank account under the same branch, same bank for a particular client or company based on their requirement. So this is about the entire bank accounting. So first we need to create the house bank in our SAP system. So then we need to go for internet browser to create bank account for each house bank. So now the bank account configuration is completed. Thank you.